If we want to edit this text over here, we simply have to click on it. Then we can see that we are in the heading widget. We can customize the headline over here. We can use AI from over here, like so. We can use a link over here. By clicking on this wheel, we have the option to open the link in a new window. We can also use dynamic tags from over here. Let's say we want to link it to an internal URL, so let's click on this one. By clicking over here to this edge, to this icon, to the type, we are going to choose content. And then from over here, we are going to search for a different page. And by clicking to that page, now whenever someone is going to click on this text over here, they are going to be taken to the home page. We also have the option for the HTML tag from over here. Then we have the style. If we are clicking over here, we can choose the alignment of the text, like so. We can choose the typography from over here. We can choose global fonts from over here, or we can customize it from over here. We can change the font family from over here. We can change the size from over here. We can change the width from over here. We can transform it from over here. We can choose a style from over here. And the decoration from over here. We can choose the line height from over here, the letter spacing from over here, and the word spacing from over here. Then we have the text stroke from over here. We can choose the size like so, and the color from over here. Let's click on this icon over here to go back to default. We also have the option for text shadow from over here. The color is from over here, like so, the color also from over here, and the opacity from over here. Then we have the option for the blur and the distance horizontally and vertically. Let's once again click on this icon over here to go back to default, and we also have the blend mode. And the color for the text, it's over here. So we have the color for the normal text in this state over here, and for the hover. So now whenever someone is going to hover over the text, it's going to change the color, like so. And the transition duration from over here. If we don't want a color to hover, we can simply click once again over here and on this icon over here to clear it, like so. And we also have some advanced settings like margin padding and so on.